In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily activate macro mode on a camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off just open up Camera app, and then basically guys, all we have to do in order to turn on macro mode is first off ensure that we are not at wide angle mode, because macro mode doesn't work when we are on a wide angle lens. To go to wide angle, we can tap right here at the 0.5. However, to be able to activate macro mode, we need to tap at any of these other icons. I'm just going to tap at one to go to 24 millimeters, and then as you can see, it is showing now that flower in yellow circle, which means that macro mode is now active. It activates automatically when some object is close enough to our camera. If I put camera on a quite longer distance from that object, it automatically turns off the macro mode. Basically guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.